Pero bago ang lahat, paangatin pa natin lalo ang energy dito dahil ang ating guest celebrity performer ay isa sa most powerful young performers in the industry.
Totoo ka dyan, Kuya Jong. Iba talaga kapag pop heartthrob. Automatic level up ang buong show. Kaya ito na, tawagin na natin siya. Let's watch this.
Hi everyone, it's Darren and I'm finally here on Your Face Sounds Familiar. As you know, my career started in a reality singing competition kaya naman this feels very familiar. Competition din siya pero first time kong manggagaya ng ibang tao and I'm very excited. This is something that I've always wanted to try out and I do impersonate a few of the fellow icons that I work with and today is gonna be one of those days. Kaya naman for my transformation today, isang malaking karangalan po to give a performance that celebrates his passion, his message, and of course, his pure energy. Kaya watch out as I transform into the one and only Mr. Gary Valenciano.
Let's go! Come on! Let me hear you! How do I begin to tell you about this friend who's like no other? Ever since the day he walked into my life, he's been more like a brother. And every day and every minute, there's a shower of love I feel. Something I used to just imagine. I tell you now, it's all for real. That's why I shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice up to the Lord. Shout for joy, sing his praises, lift my voice up to the Lord. Put your hands in the air and shout. Come on. Like I said, when you seek, you shall find him. Put your hands together. I believe you know just what I mean. Hey, it's the truth. I'm telling you it's real. Something I believe the whole world should feel. I think we know all the facts. There's only one who wanna put the best on the backtrack. Please don't cheat, trust and tap. People think I'm just bluffing about. It ain't gonna work. I'm never gonna give it up. I think the people that definitely know about. Whoa. Lift your voice up to the Lord. Whoa. Up to the Lord. Put your hands in the air and shout.
Grabe naman, let's give it up for the one and only Mr. Pure Energy and Asia's pop heartthrob, Darren! Grabe naman yung gusto!
Darren!
Bumati ka muna sa ating kapamilyars.
Hello po mga ka-familiars!
Sir Gary
Magandang
naman.
gabi po sa... I just like to, you know what? I'd like to say hello to everyone here. To all the celebrities, you know? It's really incredible to be here tonight. I know, I told my wife Angeli, I said, Hon, you know what? I'm gonna be on Your Face Sounds Familiar tomorrow. This is really an honor, you know? Daming sinabi ni Tito Gary.
Pero Darren, welcome dito sa Your Face Sounds Familiar! Grabe, ang tagal ka namin ginigawan. Ano yan?
Tignan mo yung picture, gayahin mo. Pati dila, Yung dila. Hindi, yung dila.
Wala naman dila eh.
Wala, lips niya yun.
Labi yun.
Walang dila. Oh, pero ito, anong pakiramdam, Darren, na finally, nandito ka na at naka-full-on transformation ka?
Ang saya po kasi third time ko nang mag-guest dito pero never pa ako nang gaya ng icon. Tapos ito na yung chance na magaya ko si Tito Gary for real. Parang napagdaanan ko yung full transformation katulad ng mga pinagdadaanan po ng ating celebrities every week. So nakakaba talaga. Buong araw ko siya pinag-iisipan, buong araw ko siya nire-rehearse. So I'm just glad na nagawa ko siya. Sana hindi ma-offend si Tito Gary sa ginawa.
Yeah, galing mo nga eh.
Alam mo, pag napanood ni Sir Gary to, number one, may mapaproud siya sa panggagaya mo sa
Wow, maraming salamat po.
Pero grabe yung full power performance ng isang Darren. Pero curious lang kami, paano mo ba pinaghandaan o paano mo pinag-aralan si Sir Gary?
Actually, ang dami niyang mga videos ng Shout for Joy on the internet. Tapos yun talagang inaaral ko yung mga mannerisms niya.
Nakasama mo sa ASAP?
Yes, nakakasama ko pa siya sa ASAP sa mga performances niya. So, parang napadali kasi yun nga, lagi ko siyang nakikitang nagpa-perform. Tapos ito pa yung isa sa mga hits niyang lagi kong nakikita na ginagawa niya. So, yun, parang in-embody ko lang si Tito Gary dito sa performance ko.
Pero alam mo, kahit wala si Sir Gary dito, I'm sure ma-appreciate niya yung performance mo
Yes.
dahil ang galing mo rin manggaya, Darren.
Salamat po.
Congrats, congrats.
Thank
Eto
you.
Darren, alam namin napakahusay mong manggaya. Pero kung ikaw naman ang gagayahin ng ating mga kasamahan dito,
Hala!
na kakanta ng Shout for Joy. Ito, mawi-wawi. Hindi, pero Shout for Joy. Kakanta yung Shout for Joy, pero as Darren. Kaya inimbitahan ko si JM, si Jason, kayong dalawa.
Love, joy, hope!
Pero as Shout for Joy yung version na kakantayin natin. Pero si, hindi.
Shout for joy, pero nakaganyan ka.
Pero kaganyan. Pero si Darren, yung character ni Darren, boses ni Darren. Okay, sino muna?
Shout for joy! Hoy! Bakit ako bitin?
Mawi-wawi.
Shout for joy! Sing His praises! Alam mo pa, Eric Santos na yung ano.
Si JM, si JM.
O, JM.
Kaya ako.
Kaya mo yan.
JM.
Kaya mo yan.
Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord. Shout for joy.
Shout for joy.
Hello, Darren. Darren.
Shout for joy, sing His praises, yes. Lord, Lord, Lord. Joy, joy, joy. Yes.
Palapakan natin, Jason and JM.
Thank you, JM and Jason. Ngayon naman, Darren, ano kaya masasabi ng jury sa iyong
Bakit may comments? Di
performance?
naman kasali.
Tingnan lang natin ano yung
grabe.
parang dating parang kasali ka rin.
Oh, as a guest ka naman
Yes.
dito.
Sige
Kuya
po.
Ogie,
Nag-Eric Santos ka na ba? Siya naman shout for joy na Eric Santos.
Eric Santos, Shout for Joy.
Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord.
Ano naman? Shout for joy na Vina.
Ala, ang dami naman.
Vina, sige.
Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice unto the Lord.
Rupa May.
Oh, nakaka-pressure naman dyan si ate.
Go.
Shout for joy, yes, sing His praises.
Ito, Ogie Alcacid.
Ay! Paano?
Shout for joy, sing His praises, lift my voice.
Yun.
Mag-comment pa ako.
Yes!
Si Darren is a bundle of joy. Tapos, alam mo, napaka-generous niyan. Lagi yan. Anong gusto niyong kape?
Yeah.
It comes from his heart and it comes out whenever he performs. I'm sure marami ka ng concert, pero
Meron din?
gusto ko lang sabihin, hindi ko pa nasasabi to, pero dapat mag-concert ka na.
Lahat sinabi sa lahat.
Salamat po, Tito Og.
Darren is just super talented. We all know that. Thank you so much for doing that for Gary V. Lagi mo siyang ginagaya, di ba? And your Gary V is the kind na yung gusto natin eh. Yung gumagalaw,
Yes, yung shout for-
sumasayaw.
Ang sakit lang kung kailan dalawa ang nag-impersonate kay Kuya ngayong gabi, doon pa siya wala.
Okay lang po. Okay lang po yun talaga.
Pero buti na lang yung Gary V na sumasayaw yung in-impersonate niya, which was perfect.
Perfect.
Congratulations, Darren. Always good.
Lang?
Well, si Darren kasi kasi kilala ko naman talaga na yan na talagang expert sa pag-impersonate niya, panggagaya. Lagi niyang ginagawa yun sa backstage, expert siya niya. Kaya naman, hindi na ako nagulat, talagang on point. Sisisiwin niya lang din niya si Sir Gary kasi isa yan sa talagang ginagaya niya. And buti na lang di ko sumali dito, Darren. Kasi baka hakot award ka lagi. Napaka-talented kasi ng batang. Batang ito, keratin. Napaka-talented ng batang to. And ayun, thank you, Darren, sa pagbisita sa amin dito at pagpapakita ng napakagandang performance.
Thank you.
Sayang lang wala si Sir Gary.
Yun nga eh. Salamat.
Pero nandito naman kami.
Nyoy?
Well, alam naman natin, Darren, isa sa pinaka-talented na performers natin dito yan sa Pilipinas. And alam din natin na palagi niyang ginagaya si Sir Gary. Ang saya-saya ko lang kasi nakita ko siya ng isang buong performance. Kasi minsan hirit-hirit, gano'n. Minsan salita, minsan mga isang linya. Nakakatuwa na napanood ko na isang buong Gary V si Darren. Thank you so much. Sobrang na-enjoy namin and maraming salamat dahil binigyan mo kami ng napakagaling na performance.
Thank you po.
Ate Shawi?
Hi, Darren.
Hello
I
po.
love you.
I love you
Grabe,
too.
that was so perfect. But then you always perform perfectly. And alam mo yung iniisip ko lang kanina habang, or whenever I see Darren perform, iniisip ko parang, there's so many artists in our industry. And my God, everybody has something great to offer. Pero si Darren, isa dun sa mga, ayan, kailangan natin yan talaga sa industriya. Yung parang, si Darren, kailangan natin yan. Kailangan nandito siya para lahat tayo pogi. Ang ganun. Thank you, Darren.
Salamat
We adore
po.
you. You're so talented. You're so lovable. Please keep it up and don't ever change.
Thank you po.
Thank you for that. Kuya Gary would be so proud.
Salamat po.
Salamat Ate Shawi, salamat Julie. Salamat sa pagbisita sa amin, Darren. Napasaya mo bilang
Boys.
kami pero lahat ng ating ka-familiars.
Thank you mga kuys. Salamat po.
Kapamilyars, ang taas ng energy ngayon, kaya naman siguradong mas exciting ang scoring mamaya.
Again, palakpakan natin, Darren!
Thank you po. Your face sounds familiar. Salamat.
Sino ba nga ang magle-level up at magiging winner this week? Abangan yan sa aming pagbabalik. Ito lang sa
Your face sounds familiar!